What did the psychiatrist say to the patient who came in wearing saran wrap pants? Clearly, I can see your nuts. You're welcome.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Okay, so you can see here, I took off my chop saw blade. And the reason I did that is because I'm not going to cut Soffit by hand this time around. So I bought a new blade for it. I got this Diablo laminate blade. So I'm going to use this to cut the Soffit and save me from cutting it all by hand this time around. should do it. Plug her back in.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
We'll test to make sure this is actually the right size. Yep, cut some more of them up. Okay, so you saw me get started on that bit of soffit there in the breezeway section. So there's not a whole lot to do on that. But what I'm waiting for is I need to get a piece of 8-inch metal fascia to go across the top there. So what I don't want to do is move the scaffold without having all that done. So what I want to do is do soffit, fascia, anywhere I got to do drip edge, that as well, as I go along the whole place. But when I ordered the fascia, they didn't have the 8-inch stuff. So I still need that 8-inch stuff. So I got to pick that up tomorrow and then I'll get that up there. So I just did that little bit and now I have to get that fascia and then do that little corner jut out that I got cut out too. And then I'll move the stage in and continue on with the rest of the place. But like I said, I have all the fascia for the rest of the place at 6-inch. I have that. I just don't have the 8-inch stuff for the breezeway, right? Because that's requires the 8-inch. So anyways, I'll get to that. But having said that, it is deer season eve right now. So I'm really excited to get out there tomorrow and get some deer hunting in. So you saw the does around the camera. That's really good. So I do have a doe tag, but I'm probably going to wait for a bigger buck to come in. There is a nice sized doe in there, but I'm probably going to wait at first for the bigger bucks. I mean, that's always fun to do anyway. But I got the doe tag in my back pocket because ultimately it's about the meat. So we'll see how long I wait before I harvest something. But it's exciting either way. We really rely on that meat too, so it's going to be good. You saw us in the past get deer. You also saw us in the past get this bear. If you like some of the hunting stuff, we don't share a whole lot of it, but usually each year we share a deer or a bear or something. You could check this video out. I'll link it above where we got that. I think 2020, maybe, that bear. And I'll link to it up above or down below or whatever. Or you could just search like Mapleberry Farm bear and it should show up. But either way, that's a nice bear hide there that's holding up nice too. Should last forever, really. But it's like perfect condition. Anyways, that's what's planned going forward. So it's going to be getting the skirting done, getting this soffit, fascia, little things here and there. on this around and then getting that fully winterized. The inside is done now. Just need to finish that stuff on the outside. But like I said, I just stopped there today because it was just a matter of getting it started, getting that new blade on, which is going to save me, at least cut the time in half, probably more than that, because most of the time is cutting that soffit by hand. And I've been doing it for years, so I finally was like, all right, I'm going to get myself a new saw blade and save myself a pile of time by doing it this way. And I already love it. So it's a little different cutting. I was kind of cutting down on it, like a couple cuts, because I found when I slid it, it would just kind of chew it up. So just a couple quick cuts and it was perfect. But that's no big deal. It doesn't bother me none to do that. That's still saving a ton of time. So that's pretty cool, that Diablo blade. I really like that. Anyways, I think that's kind of what's going to be going on now. So there's going to be like hunting over the next month or so, getting this here ready, and to be like both together. So I'm going to be doing a little bit, so I make sure I get a little bit done each day. But I also want to make sure we focus on getting the hunting in, because it's fun to do, and also for the meat. So I think that catches you up on where we're at right now. Baby's doing really good. I think she's really close to 10 pounds. We weighed her today. So she's gaining weight really good. She was 7'4" when she was born. 7'3" when she was born. So she's gained almost 3 pounds, we believe now. So that's good, and she's looking good. And Sam's doing good as always too, helping us carry in firewood and things like that. And she has a birthday coming up, so she's going to be 10 soon in a couple weeks. And Ashley's recovering well. And yeah, everything's going pretty good. So anyways, we'll see you soon. You know what's going on. And thanks for being here. We'll see you soon.